Hare Krishna. Welcome to Bhaktivedanta Mana and the School of Bhakti. We are here at the Darshan rooms of Srila Prabhupada. His Divine Grace is here with us. And so today in this video, we want to teach you how to recite the Damodar Astakam for this special event and month of Kartik and the Play Grammar of God, which is the event brought to you by the School of Bhakti. In this video, you will learn how to recite the Damodar Astakam that will be brought to you, recited shortly by Abhay Prabhu, and he will take you through individual verses of the Astakam. And we invite you to offer a candle to Damodar and Yashoda Mai. If you have a picture at home, offer a candle, offer some incense, maybe some flowers, and that will really enhance your spiritual life during this month of Kartik. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Namami Shwaram Sachid Anandarupam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Brajamanam Yashodha Biyolukaladhavamanam Paramrishtam Atyantato Drutya Gopya Rudanta Muhurnitra Yugmamrijantam Karambojayukmena satankanetram Muhusvashakam patrire kankakanta Stitagrevam damodaram bhaktibhadham Iti drikshvalilabhir Ananda Kunde Swagosham Nimajantam Akhyapayantam Tadiye Shitagneshu Bhaktejitatvam Puna Prematastam Satavriti Vande Varam Deva Moksham Na Mokshavadim Va Na Chanyam Vrineham Vare Sadapiha Idam Te Vapurnatha Gopalabalam Sadame manasya virastam ki manye Idam te mukham bhojam atyantanile Vritam kuntalaishnigdha raktascha gopya Muhushchumbitam bimbarak Thadaramne Manasya virastamalam lakshalabhay Namo Deva Damodarananta Vishnu Prasida Prabho Dukha Jalabdi Magnam Kripadrishti vrishyati dinambatano Grihane shamamagyam edyakshidrishya Kuveratmajo bhaddha bhutyeva yadvat Tvayamochito bhakti Bhajo krito cha Tata prema bhaktin svakame prayacha Namokshe graho mesti damodareha Namaste stu dhamne spura dipti dhamne त्वदीयोधरायाथ विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नान्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम्